meeting in this bathroom? Like, is this our meeting place? How are you doing today? I hope great. Oh no. Oh no. She looks hungry. Oh, she looks like she hasn't eaten in days. Hold on. Hold on. I can't go out here looking like that, honey. Okay. So, today is Wednesday. I'm filming this video. And here's the thing, right? So tomorrow is Ron's birthday. And I can't think of and couldn't think of anything to get a person who has everything, right? So his party is on Friday, okay? We have a cabin trip planned further down in October, which I really can't consider birthday related because we both need this trip. Like, we both need it. But I can't think of a gift, like a physical gift to get this man, right? So he's at work right now, okay? But he'll be getting off in probably like 2 hours. So I'm running out to get what we're having for dinner, which is going to be shrimp and grits. I'm feeling breakfasty. Like, I'm feeling so breakfasty in this fall, autumn vibe. And I feel like shrimp and grits with eggs and maybe some waffles would just like really hit the spot. That's beside the point. Anyway, I'm running out to get that. So I think what I'm going to do is get him, I think I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and buy a bunch of balloons. I thought about getting him a plant, right? But I kind of feel like we're already living in a jungle with the plants. It's like, where's he going to put the plant? So I don't know about the plant. But I'm thinking, too, maybe I can just get him some flowers. Like, is that like a cheesy gift to get for a man who loves plants? So why wouldn't he love flowers, right? Because I don't know what else to get him. I have literally no clue what to buy a person who already has everything. So that's just what I'm going to do. The party is Friday. He's excited about the party. That's one of the main things he asked me for. Sharon, I really, really, really want a party. So I feel like that's a great gift, right? But I can't think of anything. So, but the thing is, I don't want him to see the balloons, and the flowers. I kind of want to have them out in the morning when he wakes up. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I just brought the balloons downstairs. I got like so many, and I can't get them separated. Like, I cannot get them separated. And I got him flowers, and I gotta go get the cards. It's like 3 a.m. It's so many balloons. Okay. I gotta go back to bed. I did get them a loose, and I just put them in this little tray so that they don't float to the higher part of the ceilings for right now. Look at this. Let me move this. Okay. That's cute. I like it.
The vibe is massive. It's supernatural. Keep it factual. You know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing. I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for. Yeah. I know what you want. You got it gorgeous. You bet you
Hey. Happy dance. Happy dance. Hey, happy dance.
We're looking at our kids off to college.
All right. All right. Oh, Lord.
Open. And voila. And all of them open with no problem. Okay, so the glass is very much see-through, even though it's frosted. And Ron thinks that it's frosted. And it's frosted, but, and it's soft close, so look at that. Look at, oh, so quiet. But you can see the shelves on the inside. So what you gonna do to, I mean.
Well, we can get a piece of paper or something that goes on here.
What kind of paper?
Like contact paper or something. You know what I'm saying? To go on the back of here, so to still be glass in the front, but then you won't be able to see through it like this. Well, not that. Well, yeah, like that. Really like that. I got a piece of paper.
Paper.
Well, like sleeve paper, contact paper, contact paper.
Okay, so anyway, handles are coming, right? And then all of these, I already showed you, all of these are already soft closed too. Well, for some reason, I'm thinking they need weight on them. But they're all soft closed. Like they all go back. Pantry is done, except the side piece. Well, the part that he's gonna put on this part, like right there. Yeah. You loving it?
Yeah, outside of the glass.
Outside of the glass?
Yeah. I just really think they gave, or maybe I got it backwards. No, because even if I put like this drill, like if this was the backside and I put the drill here, no, see now you can't really, well yeah, when you get up close to it.
You can't see, we're gonna see those, because we can't see this one, so it's gotta be the same. Can't see the one in the back, I don't think. Oh wait.
You're gonna have to have some fancy containers. Your containers gonna be able to be super fancy. Oh yeah, you can see that all day.
Yeah. It's almost like looking at it from the camera, it's like it's not even something there.
Yeah.
You can't even see it. I mean, yeah.
But we could just buy another one.
Another glass?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh.
I think though if we put some tint or something on it, you know what I'm saying? You know how that, they got this stuff where you can put on the glass like a window apron restaurant where you can't see in it, but you can see out of it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we put that on the back of here, then that'll make this a little bit more darker.
Okay.
I think we can go that route. I think we'll try that.
And if it fails, then we just get another glass at that point.
Yeah.
Okay. We got to get ready for the party. We have so much stuff to clean up and do. And the time is 2:25. Party starts at 7. We did no grocery. I have to cook. It's just a lot. I'll try to come back and vlog some more in the process. Or maybe when we go to Costco's. Oh, but Babe bought all these right here. He's changing out all the what is this? Hinges on all the doors. So every door will become soft close. So that's what all of these is for. Every door will become a soft closed door. And we had to take the doors off here, put the crown molding. I'm going to show y'all that. He added the new crown molding back all the way around up at the top. Just not really gonna be able to see the true difference until these cabinets are painted white. Okay, we gotta go, babe. Hurry up.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No.
See who's team. We got a team girl here, a team boy over there, a team girl here, two team boys over here. Wow. Okay. We got a team girl right here. He's team boy because his favorite color is blue. Boy, girl.
I got both.
Oh, you sorry, you had on both, mommy.
Cause I'm not.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I just need to know so bad.
Like the anticipation.
It's like it's eating me alive.
What do you think you're having? I mean, I know you have on a boy, but
Well, actually, I think she's having a girl, but I want her to have a boy.
okay.
And
I want her to have a boy.
Yeah, I want her to have a boy, but I think she's having a girl.
Okay, this is grandmother.
I think she's going to have a girl, but I want her to have a boy.
Okay.
Twins.
You want her to have twins, okay?
So she be done.
And then that's one of the brothers right there. Dad has on team boy. He said he couldn't eat because the anticipation is so overwhelming to him, right? He's just struggling to get through this.
I need a mental break, but I'm waiting for a mental break.
Okay, so you can just really process it all. Got you. Now, you wearing a boy tag. Are you leaning more towards the son?
Yeah.
Okay, how many sons would that make you have? Okay, what?
Three boys.
You have 3 boys? Okay, all right. Okay, got you. Carlos, you have on a girl tag. Do you feel like it's a girl?
I strongly agree based on what the conversation that you had.
Okay, you first of all, stop lying. Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Keep going. Keep twisting. Okay.
Oh.
Keep twisting. Keep twisting. Oh. Keep twisting.
A boy and a girl. A boy and a girl. Told you.
Okay, so this was
Twins.
This was I was getting y'all prepared for the real deal.
But you know it's crazy though.
Okay, getting y'all prepared. That's all. How you too? Getting y'all prepared. Okay, so just hold up. You'll just have to keep waiting. Clue number 3. Keep wait. Okay, so y'all already saw one clue. Let's give you a start. Now.
It's 50-50 too.
Yeah. No. This is a clue here.
Okay. That's so pretty.
Out front, I made it kind of easy for y'all. You find the very first clue, and then you work your way through the clues.
Oh, this blue.
Okay, so it's
And that will give you the answer.
do we have to collect all of them first, or then one at a time?
One clue at a time.
I'm finna say, Corn, you on fire.
That's the third clue.
Oh, don't pick that up.
So that was at a water hose. Water. So clue number 2 is what?
Right here.
Clue
number 2.
Did you already
You want to open that one up?
Let's see what it is. TJ, come that way.
Put this down.
Yeah, you did, Miss Judy. You did find that one.
Open up clue number 1 so I can read it.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall.
That was on the wall.
Okay, now we gotta go back in there for number 3.
Number 3.
Somebody run around the back and grab them.
Number 3 was on the back.
Yeah, it was on the back on the grill.
King, go get it, King.
Put this in there.
Alright,
Jackie
same.
Jill up the hill.
Number 1 was
Oh, I get it. See, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty was a boy.
That's the logical thinking. Here we go.
I know what clue number 3 at.
King. Come on, bud.
Jack and Jill were up the hill.
That's twins.
But Humpty sat on the wall. That's
Eggs right there.
Trying.
Why?
Get here for it.
Because it's not supposed to. Y'all got it? These aren't balloons to play with.
King that got lost. Alright, let's see, King.
There he is.
You see that dog?
There he is.
Somebody's birthday.
Number 3.
We're trying to see if it's a boy or a girl.
Okay.
Mama,
Number 3.
what is that deck for?
It says, pat a cake, bake me a man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Mark with S, hang it on the grill for baby and me. Okay, so this one was on the grill.
That's on the grill. What number was
That's
that
number
one?
3.
Number
So now
3.
you need number 4.
Number
These
5?
are definitely boyish riddles.
And then clue number 5.
So no 5 right there.
That was easy.
You want to read that one?
No.
What are the results?
Rockabye baby in the treetop.
Uh-oh. Found this in the tree.
That was in the tree. And then number 5.
Number 5. Last one.
Uh-oh.
That's the last one. This is it, man. Y'all ain't gotta wait.
Results are in.
This is
When it comes to
7
7-month-old.
Little boy blue, come blow your horn, the sheep's in the meadow, the cows in the corn, but where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack.
Fast asleep. Right to the haystack.
Okay, y'all ready?
There's the boy right there. Under
Back
the
up.
haystack.
Back up. Over that way. Go that way.
Uh-oh.
Y'all going that
He
way.
gonna fly out now.
Y'all go that way.
He gonna fly out. It's a drone.
Well, I gotta get the box gun. Wait. Here, mate, Val, somebody. Oh, you see it.
It's the boy.
Yep.
I know it.
Okay.
I said boy.
No, but come on.
The big